Hello students, welcome in your GK class. I hope you all are happy and healthy. Students, quickly take out your GK books and take out chapter number 33, Famous Painters, which is on page number 43. Students, paint is a living language. For some people, paint is simply a material. For others, it is the Bible, the Holy Writ, or it is the Constitution. And for others, it is one minor piece in a complicated art world chess game. A painting is both a tangible surface and imaginary world. Great painters create fluctuating tensions between the experience of seeing surface and depth. Over time, a painter's progress and skills deter negative emotions and provide pleasure and happiness for the individual painting. And it also boosts self esteem and inspires people to reach new levels of skills. Painting also produces a relaxing open environment where artists feel safe to explore their own creativity. Students, in today's class, we will study about some famous painters and their contribution in the field of art. So, at first number, we will talk about Tayyab Mehta. Tayyab Mehta was an Indian painter and filmmaker. Among his most noted later paintings were his Triptych Celebration. Triptych means three-section celebration, which was sold for rupees 15 million, and Triptych Shanti Niketan series, Kali, and Mahasasur were his famous paintings. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in 2007. Students, next we will talk about Michelangelo. Michelangelo was an Italian sculptor, painter, architect, and poet. Michelangelo was the first Western artist whose biography was published while he was alive. He is famous for creating the fresco ceiling. And fresco ceiling is a technique of mural paintings done on lime plaster, right? And is famous for Sistine Chapel and sculptures that include Pieta and David. Students, next we will talk about very famous painter Leonardo da Vinci. Leonardo da Vinci was an Italian polymath, and polymath is a person who has the knowledge of number of subjects. Students, Leonardo was widely considered as one of the most diversely talented individual ever to have lived. He is world famous for his masterpiece paintings such as The Last Supper and Mona Lisa. Students, next we will talk about Abindranath Tagore. Abindranath Tagore was the principal artist and creator of the Indian Society of Oriental Art. He was the first major supporter of Swadeshi values in Indian art, thereby founding the influential Bengal School of Art, which led to the development of modern Indian paintings. He is well known for his works such as Nirbasita, Yaksa, Bharat Mata, and Shahjahaner Mrityu. Students, next famous painter is Pablo Picasso. Pablo Picasso was a Spanish painter, printmaker, and theater designer who spent most of his adult life in France. Students, Picasso's work is often categorized into periods. The most commonly accepted periods in his work are the Blue Period, the Rose Period, the African influenced period. One of his most famous works is his depiction of the German bombing at Guernica, Spain. Students, at last we will talk about Joseph Turner. Joseph Mallard William Turner, known in his time as William Turner, was an English romantic painter, printmaker, and watercolorist. He was championed by the leading English art critic John Ruskin from 1840 and is today regarded as having elevated landscape painting to an eminence. And the meaning of eminence is superiority. He was a famous British landscape artist. His famous works include Snowstorm, Hannibal, and his army crossing the Alps, etc. So students, with this only we have completed this chapter. And now let me take a feedback, right? So the first question is, who is known for Triptych Shanti Niketan series? Second, name the Italian painter who is famous for fresco ceiling. Third, Name the world's famous painter who is famous for the paintings like Last Supper and Mona Lisa. Fourth, name the British painter who is famous for landscape artist. Students, I hope you'll get all the answers, and now your homework is to complete this exercise.